Now we're going to look at something very important. It's called the present passive. It's not a tense, it's a voice, and it's all about who does what in the sentence and where you put it. Looking at the module you've just studied, we can talk about cars and say that cars injure people. If you ask yourself what injures people, the answer is cars. Cars is at the start of the sentence and cars did the action. So who got the action? Cars injure who? The answer is cars injure people. People got the action. People is the object and cars is the subject. What if we don't want to talk about cars? What if we want to put the people first? We can do that in English. We can put people in the front, but the people didn't do the action. The people got the action. So we turn it into people are injured by cars. Injure turns to are injured. When you see this, you know that the thing in the front of the sentence didn't do the action. It got the action. But we wanted to talk about them, so we put them in the front. Let's look at another example. People break the law. The verb is break, and we can say who breaks the law? Who does this action? The answer is people. People is the subject. That's what we call it in grammar. We ask ourselves, people break what? And the answer is people break the law. The law is the object, and that's fine. But what if we want to talk about the law? What if we think it's more important to talk about the law first? We'd put the law first, but we know the law didn't break itself. The law didn't do the action. So we turn it into is broken. Break becomes is broken. This is very important because it's used in government papers, it's used in academic writing. You can use it. This is how you make it. It's called the present passive. You use is or are plus a past participle.